What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Check out this, the new one from CEN. It's the Reeper SC, or the 110 scale 4-wheel drive short course truck ready to run. Comes in two colours in the kit, so you got red and blue decals, so you can choose which one you want. But yeah, let's check it out. So it's got some fantastic details. It's got a front and rear high impact bumper, fully detailed body accessories, long wearing short course truck tyres, oil filled adjustable shocks. It's got 80 amp ESC, brushless motor and full metal differential gears. Also does have a Savox steering servo, so you've got some nice reliability there. But let's have a look and see what we get inside. CEN makes some fantastic RC cars, so thank you very much for sending this out. Links are down below in the description like always. So here is your trusty AMP30 transmitter. Does the job, nice in the hand, good range too. There we go, awesome. And here is the sticker kits and your instruction manual. As you can see, there's two different colours, but let's have a look without anything on it. I think it looks awesome, just in this like matte black. You can run it any way you want. Yeah, I don't know if it comes up on camera, but it just looks cool, just in this matte black scheme. I might run it like that. I think it looks great. So, closer look, you can see the detail, the accessory inside. You've got two drivers there. You got your radiator at the back, you got your fire extinguishers just there, got your driver, got some details there, you got the steering wheel, dashboard, looks great. Nice and thick Lexan as well, just additional, like, you know, what's it, like a cowling there, or a dashboard, I'm not too sure. Air intake, nicely applied stickers on the side there as well. There's little bulges here, rear bumper, and a usable wheel and tyre. So it's kind of a unique chassis there. It's kind of like that ladder frame, or similar to their other cars that they have in their lineup. Nice A-arms here with kind of like this smooth transition, so not much rocks and stuff will get stuck in. Kind of see it's just kind of one molded piece instead of like you know, just holes or cutouts in there. So twigs or sticks won't get caught up in there, which is really cool. Okay. There's underneath the body. So there's a chassis. It is called a dual vertical chassis design, or DVC. Nice high impact bumpers at the front and the rear there. Obviously it's got full bearing support, and I noticed that they all are Allen heads, which are really good. I do like those. It's got a high torque built-in servo saver as well. It's kind of hard to see, but it is all up in here, which is great. Any big bumps, it won't just tear the horn off the steering, off the servo itself. Front and rear, you got big boy oil filled adjustable coilover shocks, and they do have a 3mm hardened and polished shaft, so hopefully be very strong. I do like how they're adjustable, and they do feel fantastic as well. Obviously it is 4-wheel drive, full metal transmission gears. Does have an aluminium center shaft drivetrain. You can just see it just kind of in there, or sealed transmission components, so should be very robust. So you've got your short course truck wheels with 12mm hex and long wearing short course truck tyres as well. They feel great, obviously foam inserts. Yeah, they feel really good, and you get a spare one. So here is your waterproof ESC, carrying up to 2 and 3S. Now it's hard to see, but there is your brushless motor there, so fantastic. So this should definitely get up and boogie, that's for sure. So, very interesting design. It's not what you'd normally see in a short course truck. I do actually like it. It looks really cool, something different. Suspension feels fantastic. So yeah, I'm really digging this design. But I'll show you how they look. Let's have a look at the graphics. First up, you have your instruction manual there. Shows you everything you need to know. How to use it. Nice exploded view, so if you need to rebuild or just tear it apart and have fun putting it back together, you can. Super easy to read, very helpful. Here are your sticker sets. See, you've got one blue and one red. The both would look amazing on it. That's how it looks with the blue one, as you can see, but I do dig it with this. You also have an instruction manual for the radio, another little set of stickers there, an instruction manual for the ESC itself, and how the body is assembled. Unfortunately, the weather is absolutely atrocious now, so I don't want to run it as yet, but next video, we definitely will put it into its paces, run it 2S or 3S and see how this baby performs. Hopefully we can get it on the track in another video as well. But yeah, links down below if you want to go check it out, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. leave some comments, like, and do what you need to do down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.